In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore OneNote from backup. If you accidentally removed notes, lost a section, or need to recover older content, OneNote's backup feature can be a very helpful safety net. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access those backups and copy the content back into your live notebook in a clean and reliable way. To begin, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. This process is best done in the desktop version because it gives you direct access to the backup tools. Once your notebook is open, go to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main menu where OneNote stores account, notebook, and backup options. From there, click Open Backups. This will take you to the area where OneNote keeps saved backup versions of your notebooks. Depending on how your app is configured, you may see one or more folders containing older notebook content. Next, browse your backup directory. Take your time here and look through the available backup folders until you find the notebook you want to retrieve. It helps to pay close attention to notebook names and folder structure so you restore the correct content. Once you find it, select the notebook folder you want to recover. After opening the backup version, you can start moving content back into your current notebook. If you want to restore an entire section, right-click the Section tab and choose Move or Copy. This is useful when a full section is missing and you want to bring it back all at once instead of rebuilding it manually. If you only need specific notes, right-click the individual page tabs and select Move or Copy. This gives you a more precise way to restore just the pages you need without affecting the rest of the notebook. It's a good option if only part of your content was lost or changed. When the destination window appears, choose your original live notebook from the destination list. Make sure you select the active notebook where you want the restored content to appear. This is an important moment because choosing the correct destination keeps your notes organized and prevents confusion later. Finally, click Copy. OneNote will place the selected section or page into your live notebook while keeping the backup version unchanged. That means you can restore content safely without overwriting the backup itself. And that's how to restore OneNote from backup. If you're recovering important notes, it's a good idea to quickly review the copied content afterward to confirm everything is back where you expect it to be.